Content management software versus digital asset management tools. Which one is better for marketing teams? Most marketing teams get this wrong by assuming that a CMS alone can handle all digital content needs. The surprising truth is that content management software and digital asset management tools serve very different purposes, and choosing the right tool can dramatically impact productivity and brand consistency. Content management software, like WordPress, Drupal or HubSpot CMS, focuses on creating, publishing, and managing website content. It allows marketers to update blogs, landing pages, and product information quickly. For example, a campaign manager can launch a new product page with images, text, and tasks in minutes. CMS platforms are excellent for managing web content workflows and delivering consistent messaging to audiences. Digital asset management tools, such as Binder, Widen, or Brandfolder, centralize storage, organization, and retrieval of media assets like images, videos, logos, and design files. DAM systems provide version control, metadata tagging, and rights management. For instance, a global marketing team can ensure that all campaigns use approved brand assets, reducing errors and maintaining consistency across channels. DAM tools are critical for efficiently managing large volumes of creative assets. The key difference is web content versus media assets. CMS platforms manage and publish content, while DAM platforms organize and safeguard creative resources. Top marketing teams often integrate both, use DAM to store and manage assets and CMS to deploy that content efficiently across web and digital channels. The takeaway is clear: if your focus is building, updating, and managing web content, content management software is the right choice. If your priority is organizing, protecting, and streamlining access to creative assets, DAM tools are essential. The surprising truth is that using both together enables marketing teams to maintain brand integrity, reduce production time, and deliver campaigns that are faster, smarter, and more visually consistent.